There are so many ways to start earning money online, but let's say you are a little short on cash and you need some quick cash flow, then here's the top 7 ways you can start earning money right now without little to no investment and very easy to do from home. So let's begin. Hello financiers, this is the Finance Queen. You're watching me from London, and if you like more finance related content, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Now let's get straight into the video because this topic, we all have no patience for that, so let's get into it. Top 7 ways to earn quick money from home with little to no investment. Point number 1, drop shipping. Drop shipping is such an amazing method if you want quick cash with no investment whatsoever. If you are into e-commerce and you basically know the basics of e-commerce and setting up a website and making Facebook ads and being really good at a copy for Facebook ads, then this might be something for you. All you have to do is find your winning product, do enough research, test your product, and once you have that winning product, just make some Facebook ads and start selling on your website. The best thing about this is you don't have to have a physical product in your hand. You can always take orders first and then drop ship. That is what drop shipping is all about, right? So this is my point number 1 for you to start making money right now without any investment. Our second way to earn quick money would be FIVVER. Now you've all heard about FIVVER. Even I actually hire a lot of people through FIVVER whenever I need somebody to do little tasks for my website or even for my channel. So if you have any skills that you can advertise, why not use FIVVER for that reason? If you are really good at editing, video editing, if you have good copywriting skills, or if you're really good at social media marketing, why not promote your skills on FIVVER and get real clients that you can build long-term relationships with? And that way you can start earning quick money without any investment. I mean, what investment would you need for FIVVER anyway? All you need is a little bit of your time. Sit down, create a profile, and think about the skills that you have and start listing them and create gigs for yourself, and then just wait for a response. Initially, you can start providing your services to your family and friends and ask them to give you reviews on your FIVVER, because now FIVVER is quite saturated, and the ones that are doing great are the ones that manage to build long-term relationships or the ones that have really nice reviews. So get some reviews and then get that money rolling in. The third way of making quick money from home right now is use DEPOP. Now with the rise of social media, we have some amazing apps that you can start using to make quick money. DEPOP tends to be one of those. If you have extra products around the house, clothes, shoes, accessories, even digital products, you can sell so many things on DEPOP and start listing them right now. All you need to do is start creating listings on DEPOP. Take amazing photos with your mobile phone. You don't even have to have a professional camera for this reason. And then link your PayPal to your DEPOP store. Write a nice description of the product and start selling. And you can also promote your DEPOP store on your Instagram or even on your Facebook. Or if you don't have social media, let's say, in that case, you can start selling to your own family, relatives, cousins, friends, neighbors, the list goes on. DEPOP specifically does very well to sell pre-owned designer items. Now you may not have designer clothes, I get it, but you probably do have some nice things lying around the house that you might not value anymore, but for somebody else it's a treasure. So why not sell it away? Moving on to our next way of making quick money from home is affiliate links. Especially talking about Amazon affiliates. Now you all have heard about Amazon, right? And I feel like when it comes to affiliate marketing, starting with Amazon affiliate is that easiest route that I feel like everybody takes, and you as a beginner can start there as well. Now you might think that Amazon affiliate links are only for the ones who have a big audience on YouTube or even Instagram, but that may not be the case. But that is not always the case. You can start promoting these affiliate links with your family and friends via Facebook, let's say, or maybe you can also email your friends and your contact list and tell them, hey, I've started using this amazing product, check this camera out maybe, and then give them the link to the camera. In case you don't want to use Facebook, you can actually start emailing your contact list and start building up an email list. And every other day you can email your contact list and tell them, hey, I have used this amazing digital product. It could be a camera, it could be a new phone that's just come out. You can give them a link to that product, through your affiliate link, obviously. And then maybe 1 out of 10 people or 1 out of 100 people, somebody may just end up buying that product and you get a nice commission. Usually the pricier the product is, the higher the commission is going to be. So maybe you as a beginner can start using affiliate links for digital products because they tend to have a higher commission rate. Affiliate marketing has been a great way for people to earn money, whether it's all the big YouTubers or anybody else who's into marketing. Affiliate links tend to make a good amount of money for everybody who uses them. So in the start, you may find that you might not make that much money, but with time, it actually adds on. So you just have to wait for your time. Also keeping in mind that Amazon does pay you out monthly. They don't pay you just every other day. It's like a monthly payout schedule, and you do get paid for the month prior. So this is just something you have to start right now. And then with time, gradually you build up your profile, you build up that audience, and you'll make even more money. The more people buy through your affiliate links, the more money you can make. 5, start a YouTube channel. Now, don't get me wrong. Yes, your YouTube channel might take a while to get to that level of AdSense money, because that's the hardest part, really. Well, not that hard, but I think about that we're going to talk about in another video. If you want me to talk about that, let me know down in the comments below. But if you start a YouTube channel right now, what you can start doing, because YouTube is a free platform for anybody to use, really, anybody can start a YouTube channel with literally no money. You can actually start advertising your own skills or even your own products, and that way you may get potential customers that are watching you on YouTube. Don't forget, YouTube is a very big platform and billions of people use that on a monthly basis, and millions of people watch it every day. So you might as well just get a little portion of that. So if you start making videos to promote your own products or your own skills or your own services that you provide, you may get really good clients from anywhere in the world, really. So if you use your YouTube channel wisely, you can actually start making money right about now. Even without the AdSense money, you can use YouTube in so many other ways. Keeping in mind that everybody who is successful on YouTube ads money is not the only source of income that they have. There's many other sources of income that of course are generated through YouTube. So think about that. Our next way to start making quick money from home right now without any investment would be coaching. There must be something that you're good at, right? Now, sometimes we humans tend to have this tendency of undervaluing ourselves and underestimating ourselves, but if you think about it, you're probably good at something which somebody else may be lacking the knowledge of. So let's say you're really good at business skills. Let's say you're good at teaching a certain language. Let's say you're good at teaching how to stitch clothes. Let's say you're really good at teaching people how to make Facebook ads and copyright and stuff like that. So if you are really good at certain skills that are God-gifted, or it's just something you have cultivated within yourself, then those are the things you can teach other people. And if you have people skills and good at holding somebody's hand and guiding them through a process and telling them what to do and guiding them through their journey, then you are a great coach. And for coaching nowadays, you don't even need any certain degree or anything at all. If you're good at a certain thing that you want to teach people and coach them on, you can start coaching right about now. Talking about coaching, you may want to sign up to my free newsletter where I send out emails every single week to all my clients to tell them different ways to make free money online and also how to utilize social media to get more high-paying coaching clients. So if you are interested in that, just sign up. It's free. The link will be given down below. Sign up to my newsletter and you will receive a lot more useful information on this subject in detail. Coming back to coaching, coaching is just something you can start right now and start charging people a lot more than you think, because sometimes we may underestimate the value that we have or the knowledge that we have. For somebody else, it's a treasure. So why not guide them, because they might really need that desperately from you. So coaching it is. Point number 7, the quickest and easiest way to make money online right now without an investment is selling books online. Now, you might be surprised. You don't need an investment for that. You can start selling your old textbooks on eBay or Amazon. You might be surprised, but books still do so well even today. And I think books is just something that will never go out of fashion when it comes to earning money with it. So you can always turn around some quick cash when it comes to books. If you have any old school books, even journals sell so well, and you don't even need a big investment on that either. If you have old books lying around the house, sell those. If you don't have them, your family members might have some, your friends might have some. So get those books together, start listing them on eBay or Amazon, and you may make a quick buck. Well, that makes me think, if I start selling all my books, I'll make bank, because I have a huge library of books, but I never really sell books because I use them, well, first of all, I do love collecting books. It's a hobby of mine. But I also like to read a certain book again and again, because every time I read a book time and time again, every time I have a different understanding, and I understand it better when I read it several times through. So that's just my connection I have with books. Talking of knowledge, remember guys, knowledge is money in this century, and if you want some free knowledge, then why not sign up to Audible? My link is given down in the description below. If you sign up today, you get 2 free books for the first month, and it is such great value for money. You can listen to the audiobooks even as you're traveling, going to school, going to college, or doing your daily task. I've also listed down below some of my favorite books that I would recommend for you if you are interested in making money in the real way. No scam, no BS, no programs, no courses. So might as well just check out those books. And remember, if you want 2 free books, then sign up for Audible. And don't forget, knowledge is money. And the more knowledge you have, the more money you will eventually make. Thank you so much for watching Financers. I might as well just call you Financers because we are on the Finance Queen channel. Make sure you do follow me on Instagram and stay in touch with me. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, take care of your finances because it's very important. There's all kinds of noises coming from all over. Just when I start recording. Are you kidding me?